just woke up. I brushed my teeth. And we're going to get, what are they called again? We're going to go get some pasties, which look like some empanadas.
Like British empanadas.
Yeah, like British empanadas. So, can't wait to try it. We're not getting pasties. We're going to get pasties to go for our trip up north to the Pictured Rocks. But first, again, we're going to go back to camp. I'm going to touch up because I feel a little itchy. And then we're done eating. And we ruled out Pictured Rocks. And we're going to go south today. Because I would like... I would like to see the lighthouse. I want lighthouse pictures.
Give me my seatbelt.
Alright, we just cleaned up base camp a little bit. And now we're heading to Kitch-iti-kipi. No pasties. No pasties. But we got chips
and jam.
And jam to watch later in the car. Back on the road. We arrived. Is this where waterfalls are?
No.
Can't see shit.
But like those
Fishing. The lady says no fishing.
Yeah, they're
Take nothing but pictures. Leave nothing but footprints. Oh, this is the Clearwater's place. I forgot. Whoa. Whoa, what? We're going on a boat. Wow, it looks like there's glass, but it's just... It's a lot deeper than I thought it was. We're going. That's insane. Do you see any fish? I do too. It just looks so clean. And it's like aqua color too. It's not blue. Where is it? Wow, look at that baboon. Look at the reflection of the trees.
This tree just literally looks like it's on the surface.
It's kinda.
No,
It's underwater, yeah. Look at the one laying down. He's just chilling. He's like, I'm relaxed. I'm sleeping. We're at the shop now. I'm gonna get this sticker. Even though it doesn't say Kitch-iti-kipi or whatever. I live by this every day of my life, so I think it's worth it. But if I was ever to have a collection of things, it'd be these. Look at all the voodoos. But I'm looking for stickers for maybe this one, Kitch-iti-kipi, but it doesn't really show the water. We're getting ice cream. Thank you. You got a bar, ice cream, hats. I got stickers. That was a gift shop, and now we're going to. Yep, I literally just. I was like, swing to the. Wait, they might. We're on our way
8 miles
to the lighthouse. To the lighthouse. There's the lighthouse. We made it. We can do 1x. There we go. Now we just find parking. Here. This one. This one. That's where we are.
Another map for the collection.
Oh, there we go.
It's very difficult that they cup their hand in a certain way to make certain signals for, like, come see the captain, come to eat, or, you know, different jobs.
Interesting.
This is a fixed third order Fresnel lens, and it stood 6 foot tall
We have a 6-footer here, so that's how tall it was. And it was all cut glass. It first operated with whale oil, then mineral oil, then kerosene, and it shone 20 to 25 miles out over the surface of the water.
Oh, wow.
It stayed in our tower until the mid-1960s when the Coast Guard came and took over from the United States Lighthouse establishment. So this is what we have up there today. It's a little LED, not much bigger than what you see here in the picture. It's solar powered. It shines 10 to 15 miles out, and we are a fully working operational lighthouse. We're the last working lighthouse on the entire northern shore of Lake Michigan. Meantime, head towards the second kitchen, go all the way to the left to the addition and work your way up this way, upstairs. By then the tower should clear, okay?
Awesome. Okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
thank you.
So head that way. We have a lot to see.
What is this? This represents a bucket of oil when full. It is 20 pounds. The keeper on duty would carry 2 of them up to the top of the light tower multiple times a night. Oh my god. I'll carry it. Oh my god. Multiple times? He must have been fit.
These are the $1,000 strips.
Two steps to go. Yeah. Low ceiling.
That's a squeeze.
Is it? That's a nice view of the dock.
That's another squeeze.
Another squeeze.
Oh, don't hear it. I don't hear it.
I know.
Oh, Jesus.
And here's the new lighthouse.
Wow. This is great.
That's operational. Look at that view.
Dude, this is sick. A sunset out here? You didn't see the Sears Tower, right? I think I'm ready to go. Go out. Feel the breeze.
The lyric says do not open.
Yeah, but you feel the breeze. Oh, this is a heavy dose.
You're a great touch. Oh my god, it is heavy. That would break your fingers if this would break your fingers if it landed on your hand. There he is. There's a chipmunk. The boat music. Oh, we're not trying to scare you. Look at you. Oh.
Buddy.
There he goes.
See you, buddy.
Look, he's over there now. Under the boat. Oh, there he goes. Overall, the lighthouse I liked.
I liked it.
He liked it. I hope Max liked it, but I think he's still bummed out we didn't go to Picture Rocks.
Why they have flying squirrels here?
I guess so.
But it was really cool. She told us some ghost stories. We went up to the top. I think I recorded, right? Yeah. So it was really cool.
Snowshoe, look at it. We saw a chipmunk. We got rabbits. That's how peaceful it is over here, though.
They have cougars.
And they have cougars.
This area is so peaceful and quiet that like animals just feel comfortable going everywhere. Pretty nice. And we're at the visitor center at Fayette, circa 1886. As you were saying.
What are we?
I don't know, actually.
80,000 people used to live here.
No, it's a ghost town.
We're spending night in a ghost town. No, we're not. But I don't think they'd allow it. Penny pincher.
That's fast.
Let's see. Did it come out good?
That's pretty lined up.
Yeah. And if you guys want to read up on Fayette, Michigan, pause the video and read up. But we are going to move on to the trip. You want to play next?
Oh, God, Max, what happened? These are getting worse.
I feel like, well, there's something here.
It's what it is.
Wow, down there is pretty
You want to?
pretty messed up down there.
It's either you know or you don't. It's either you know or you don't.
You know what I meant.
That view back there is pretty. So polite about it, man.
Ooh, yes, I'm all for it. Let's go. To the overlook. I got my boots. My walk-in boots.
You're just gonna walk around?
Well, Max also doesn't have boots. He does not have
He has
boots.
shoes.
Yeah, but shoes aren't going to protect him. This is going to be... Okay, thank you. Ah. Yeah. There's so many spiders. You think that for the amount of spiders there wouldn't be so many mosquitoes. This is a lot harder when I only have one hand available for balance. Oh. Yeah, the rocks are... Careful with the rocks, they're a little loose. We made it though. We conquered. We'll continue this when Max is here.
The water's so...
And we're back with Max.
I didn't have boots, so.
I know. That's why I told her likes this. So you had a valid excuse.
But also, I didn't want to.
Alexis.
Is this the lookup?
Yeah.
It was a further trail, but we're not going to go that far.
Why not?
Because we want to see the town before it gets like.
No, we want to see it at sunset. Look at that.
It does kind of ruin it seeing the yachts.
I don't know how this recording is turning out, but my screen got black. I'll show a picture of what my phone looks like right now. I'm so sad. There we go. We're in the town. I hope I'm getting things in frame because I can't see. And my phone just decided to. Ah, no, don't zoom in. This is not good.
It's just zooming in.
It's clicking all over my screen. I see like the little focus tab popping up everywhere. So, there it is. The ghost town. You guys can see me, but I'm hungry. Alexis is hungry. Alexis is hungry.
We've started watching The Jam.
We did start watching The Jam.
It's not horrible. Actually.
It's not. There doesn't seem to be like a true story to follow.
It's just the different threads.
It's just different threads of story. We were gonna get Big Boys, but Hardy's was closer. You guys know that. So, but then Hardy's was closed. So then we came to Big Boy, and then what happened? Nobody's answering the question.
It's closed.
It's closed. made it to a place called Tap 21. Finally. Right before they closed too, so I feel bad. So,
A little bit.
we're gonna get our food though, eat quick, and head out. Food. And I got a knife in mine.
What?
It's cheese.
It's crazy.
Bun tops on top. Is yours like that too? No, I think yours has a bottom.
I guess mine is.
Mine has a bottom too.
Mine is double.
You're the only one. I got egg, ham, and cheese burger.
You think they did that on purpose?